violence. Me I tell you about this from day one. Violence against men. You see them something here? No man start that way. You see all of this?
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Car Vibes. I'm your host Julie and my co-host that I just reprimanded, Mandel.
Foolishness.
It's not for
Foolishness.
Foolishness. Alright, keep driving. So today's episode is all about snacks, and it's Jamaican snacks. Hopefully it's all Jamaican.
Hold on. Banana chips upon that before I'm gonna forget.
That's the first one.
We can't go on now. Can't continue.
Oh my god. Alright, so I'm not really sure how many snacks I had to put onto this, but I have some popular Jamaican snacks on it, and we're gonna see what you, international and local people around the world, think about our choices of snacks, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first one, of course, is...
Hold on, before we go no further. Guys, gonna think about them yang like yeah. We can't get them off of the road. May I write up a petition? If we get 20,000 votes, we get the yang off of the road. See my point?
That's the people them choice. They want to make nice on the road.
No. Hate them. Back to the answer.
What's going on here? Anyways, guys, what I would say, my first choice is banana chips. Technically, this was from Mandel.
Yes. Banana chips. St. Mary's banana chip to be specific.
Alright, let me finish my speech. Alright, so one of the first Jamaican chips brand in one of the first banana chips brand in Jamaica was known as Chippies, still is, and has captured the taste buds of Jamaicans for many decades. Now there is St. Mary's banana chips, and which is of course
the best,
as Mandel would have called
the best.
Mandel said it's the best.
The best. Shit. Guys, on a comment down, I know some people say Nice is banana.
Yeah, Nice is there too.
But Nice
is cut up your gum.
Nice is not have enough salt. Yeah, no. Banana chips, for me, it have to have a tubs of salt, yeah? The right amount of salt. Nice is fresh. It's fresh. It come like steel fried banana.
Alrighty, moving on. Oh god,
St. Mary banana chips.
We're shaking out.
St. Mary banana chips.
We're shaking up. Alright, next, the kunu, are otherwise known as blue draws. I'm not a fan. And I'm Jamaican. I just don't like it.
Nothing wrong with blue draws.
So blue draws is made with green banana, or some Caribbean countries use sweet potatoes, coconut milk, vanilla, raisins, flour and sugar, the whole works. And it is wrapped in banana leaves and tied with twine or cord, that's the name, you know, tire leaf, and some people in Jamaica call it blue.
Who make it with banana? What kind of banana? Green banana?
Not sure, but some Caribbean countries use green banana. Use banana. It never said, yeah, green banana.
Which Caribbean country? Want to comment below, please and thanks. Tell me which one I want to use. Green banana. Me no potato. Okay?
Yeah, so see.
Yeah, no, me see that. But I want to know which Caribbean country, which set of people, or which Jamaican use green banana. If you use green banana, comment how it tastes. And which one tastes better? The one from potato?
Sweet potato.
Yeah, sweet potato, or the one from green banana. I'm pretty sure it can be the one from green banana, but that's just my opinion.
Alright, next. So the next one is Jamaican patty, of course. Cannot leave out the best. Beef patty, cheese patty, chicken patty.
Tastiest patty.
Can't leave out the best, alright?
By the way, guys, tune into our tastiest patty video, or patty video. We did that earlier. Yes.
Couple days ago, I think. Yeah. Alright, so next, Stamp and Go, one of Mandel's favorites as well.
What name, sir?
Fritters.
A Stamp and Go, it name?
Yeah.
So why you call it fritters, Mandel?
Anyways,
What means Stamp and Go?
This dish got its name from the British sailing ships in the 18th century, where sailors would usually shout "stamp and go" if they want to order a meal fast. So,
really?
Yeah. So stamp and go can be
anything.
Anything. So codfish, or everybody know it as saltfish, with some scallion, some onion and some pepper and the flour and etc. You can have banana fritters. You can have the whole works technically.
So yeah, try to tell me say fast food can be classified as stamp and
but Jamaican only use stamp and go for fritters. Mainly saltfish fritters, alright?
Alright, sir. On to banana fritters.
I just said banana fritters. Were you listening?
Never hear that part. Miss me,
yeah. It miss your eye for real. Alright, next one, my personal fave, Salmon Grande. Mandel doesn't like it because it involves red herring. So,
first of all, I first made that in my life. The first me I hear that in my life. But I understand because it's a red herring.
Yeah, alright. So, Salmon Grande, for those who don't know, it is primarily made of smoked red herring mixed with Jamaican chili peppers or Scotch bonnets and or other seasoning. Some people put a lot of wet jerk seasoning and ting, and a lot of persons use the eggs of the red herring in red herring caviar, which tastes really good because that popping spin sensation that you feel when you're crunching on the eggs, and the when the pepper hits you, it hits you. Sometimes it just acts up your sinus, your nose are run. You have to eat it with crackers though. It tastes really good with crackers. Water crackers, national crackers, are Excelsior crackers. Anyone you want to use, trust me, it tastes really good.
Why am I eat that?
It's a good snack.
Why am I eat that?
Mandel who does not understand the greatness of red herring, you know. So next is
give me tuna instead.
And funny enough, he does not eat tuna. Next thing is roasted corn. No, to be very honest, I would slash with roast yam because nothing beats a good roast yam, especially if you do it yourself. You roast the yam and you scurry your pit and with saltfish.
Guys, the best roast yam are the one where you roast and we still have a little dirt on it. No, like see, legit. Have a little bit of dirt on it. You roast it and then you scrape it off.
Alright, so
yeah.
Roast corn, roast yam, roast sweet potato. Anything roast, Crown Provision, Jamaica really like. Jamaicans love roast breadfruit as well. So roast veggies or
in a sense, Jamaica like anything with black.
Roast staples.
Anything with black, when they don't cook, Jamaican like it.
That's not true.
Stew chicken, pork, chicken, roast stuff, all of them black when they don't know.
As I was saying, so roast corn tastes good, roast yam tastes good, roast sweet potato excellent, and there was another one. That's a breadfruit.
Oh, I forgot breadfruit.
Yeah, so all of those are some nice snacks, especially if the breadfruits are in light chips, right? Tastes really good. Now next, pepper shrimp. Now this is a little bracket here because what we Jamaicans call pepper shrimp is actually crayfish. So there's a little yes. So what we Jamaicans call shrimp, it's crayfish. Because the man that you always say pepper shrimp, and that you shouldn't say swims, pepper swims. Pepper shrimp special, pepper swims. When you look at them, those who know this, right? It's crayfish or crawfish in some people's vocabulary. But we just call them shrimp because them look like shrimp and them look at a bigger version of shrimp and you know.
Question, why do you feel between shrimp and crayfish?
They're families. They're bottom feeders, but one is bigger than the other.
So if them small a shrimp,
yeah.
And if them bigger crawfish?
Oh yeah.
You must have some more distinctions.
Yeah, of course you have more distinctions, Mandel. You have more distinctions. Crawfish have claws.
You cry, yeah?
Yeah.
What is this?
I mean, taste it. And next, bun and cheese. Now, every Jamaican know this, that we don't just eat bun and cheese for the season. We eat it right round the clock, right round season. There's never a shortage of it. You can just go to shop. Yes, send me a bun and cheese.
Lie, I'm going to shop, I'm going to get bun and cheese already. What about that?
A tavern in Tabo, right?
Yeah.
Because the way how bun and cheese is so popular, it always finish up there. But back to what I'm saying. Bun and cheese. Bun and cheese is a quick fix and a stopgap in Jamaica. Especially if you really do, if you don't want nothing much to eat, but you know, you want something gonna hold you. A quick bun, quick slice of cheese,
guys,
a ginger beer, soda, Pepsi, whatever is your fancy, a bottle of water, you're good to go. That hold you. You get me?
Guys, we have a birthday named Yuki. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we eat bun and cheese.
And fried chicken.
And fried chicken. In that, a bun and cheese, fried chicken, ramen, no man, no Popeyes, and rice.
Oh yeah.
That time diet. Anything out of that? Well, shrimp sometimes.
Fancy food.
Yeah.
Anything out of that, a fancy food.
A fancy food.
Anyways, come on, Mandela named Friend.
I him done my bun and cheese every time. Then I forgot the shop.
Come on, Mandela named Friend. Oh, hi Dookie. Next, coconut drops. Now, this is actually a real delicacy and treat in Jamaica, because guess what? For my grandmother learned from them, mother for them, mother from them, mother for, you know, generations back of generations worth of things just coming forward, and you still see them here today. It's here to stay, right? And we were watching best food reviews. Sunny show, yeah. 100%. And we saw some persons in, where was he? Peru, who were doing the same coconut drops. Of course, they don't call it the same way as we do, and they don't do it the same way as we do. You know, mix of colors and stuff, but it tastes the same.
That they look extra sweeter than the one where we are.
But so coconut drops, you know, these are Jamaican snacks that are created by hot mixture of diced coconut, spice, sugar, and some of time there are. Back in the day, because when I used to help my nanny or nana,
hi Nana.
She's dead. She's not alive. She's not with us.
Hi Nana from heaven.
We used to call her auntie, but when she was around, she used to make them for a living, and she used to have some large banana leaves. When she creates them in this big old metal thing, she just drop them in the banana leaves and let them cool, and she'll probably wrap them up in there, or if she has the plastic bag, she put them in there and then get them to sell and stuff like that. So yeah, it was good. I ate too much when I was younger, so I'm not a big fan of it now.
I mean, I wasn't a big fan of it from day one, but me used to eat it. I used to eat it. And we still
not
eat it.
Not a fan anymore, but it was a really good treat when I was younger. Oh, and of course, following coconut drops would of course be peanut drops or a peanut cake, you know, and then gizzard and all of them lovely treats there.
Gizzard not made from coconut?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just not.
It's the ginger version.
Okay. Yeah,
in the yeah. Right. So those are the next Jamaican treats that we actually love. You know, the little sweetness. My favorite is next again, tambourine balls. You know?
Don't know.
The balls them.
She loves that.
No, as I was saying, I love tambourine balls because they're quick and easy to make. They're heavily dosed with powdered with sugar, and it's actually great conversation making.
When I have conversation when time me I eat them, I just eat it.
I'm not referring to eating, I'm talking about when you're making them, they're good to create, you know, conversation with the other person that you're making them with.
Really?
Yeah, because, you know, the first stage of it is kind of plaka because the tambourine them kind of soak, and you have to go get it roll up, you know, and it probably don't look like a ball when you making it, but when a professional making it, actually look like a ball. It's fun. It's actually fun.
It look like a rectangle. It look like a sun.
Mine always look like a sun. One bugger rays going from it. Anyways, guys, what was I saying?
You like the balls, you like the tambourine balls. That's a conversation piece.
Alright, so eating the tambourine balls though afterwards is great. The seeds though, you gotta watch out for them seeds.
What she said. Violence. Me I tell you about this from day one. Violence against men. You see them something here? No man start that way. You see how that is?
Anyways, next, Toto. Now for all those who don't know what Toto is, it's a cake made with
long time I say that to them.
it's a cake made from coconut and a lot of other spices. You know, a lot of people kind of make them own Toto. Some will drop in a little raisin there. Some will actually grind up peanut, get the powder version and throw it in there to have a coconut peanut taste. Some other persons, you know, them do what they really want. You know, really and truly, they really just do what they want. But Toto is actually a coconut based cake. And it's really great. I remember when I was younger, my mom used to make them. Never used to last long though. As it done bake, and it tastes really great when it's hot. So as it come out of the oven, son, she dice and slice it up. Never know where it gone, it done.
It tastes good when you have some juice. Some nice juice. Any form of juice.
Unfortunately, my mother used to always make it when she make blend up juice. So I found a carrot and pine, a Drew plum and something.
Yeah, man. It's nice with some juice, man. Nice with some juice.
Yeah, alright. Next is bulla cake. Now, for all those who grew up in the country area, they must be enjoying this treat, because back in my parents' day, that's what them always that was the rave, you know. Bulla and bag milk.
Yeah, Nutri bun. And the Nutri truck used to carry the bulla them too. And the milk.
Go to the schools.
Yeah, to the school them and everything.
So yeah, bulla cake though, let me see what it says. The cake first appeared in the 19th century, and from the 1980s it has been produced mostly by large bakers in Jamaica. This popular treat for school children is usually eaten with either butter, avocado, cheese, and of course bag milk. So
eat it with a slice of pear.
Yeah, bulla and pear. Them did have a saying about that. Bulla and pear and something in the ear. Oh, that's what it was?
They get put up the ear.
Yeah, put up the ear. So yeah, most school kids know how to liven up the place with some jest. Last but not least, of course, is banana bread, Mandel's fave.
Let me say this. Not necessarily banana bread, because the way people actually make banana bread. But she don't make banana bread, she make banana cake. There's a there is a difference, because I taste banana bread and they're typically with the same flavor.
I think banana bread is moist, extra moist, soft and moist.
I don't know, you know. But when mommy used to make them banana cakes back in the days, oh God man, all 10 finger and 10 toe and lick out the mixture when time she done. My belly normally full before the cake done bake.
Wow.
And then now, we used to have this dirty style when the cake done bake. And at the top it rise up, you know like when time everything bake it rise. Now the middle, we used to pick out. Before we can cut you, we used to pick out. Little by little of the cake, just like how we used to teeth for that chicken.
Mommy, if you're listening to this, I would have banned him from eating the cake.
I eat with teeth everything your mama cook. Chicken.
Hello, they can't understand why him relate to cat more than dogs. Criminal at his finest.
Food dead for teeth.
Criminal at his finest. Oh, how could I forget? What's that name? Hela top, Hela bottom, and Hallelujah in the middle.
That pudding at man.
Pudding, yeah, Jamaican pudding.
Jamaican pudding, man. Yo, that tough.
I don't know, I don't eat pudding.
Classic. Yeah, man. But back to my banana cake.
No, we're off that. No. Oh, another another legendary cake for Jamaicans. This is usually eaten during the Christmas season, and that's
Christmas cake.
Fruit cake, guys. Fruit cake. Yeah, Christmas cake, fruit cake. When Jamaicans decide to say, yeah, red label have to go in there, a little white rum off a tip, a little raisin, a little
Ray and him nephews.
Yeah,
have to join the
have
party.
to join the party.
You get me? The best people them for join a party. Really make this.
So yeah, so other than those memorable moments or memorable mentions, right? Cause everybody must know Christmas cake, everybody must know the real Jamaican pudding, a top, a bottom, hallelujah in the middle. To be very fair, I think nobody makes those better than the country people, because them really just drop it on the coal stove and put on the zinc on the top, the thin sheet of zinc on the top, and drop on a piece of stone to make sure say everything good. Trust me. What's the best? Now guys, that wrapped up our Jamaican snacks for the evening.
Before we go. Banana cake. Me never done talk about my banana cake. Banana cake, one of the best type of cakes ever to be made in Jamaica land we love. Mommy, big up yourself. Want you send me the recipe? I'm totally forgot me how to make with banana.
And that's all he knows.
And flour and water and eggs.
That's all.
I can't know the recipe, man. Flour, water, egg. Yeah, that's
no nutmeg?
Yeah, nutmeg too. Yeah. Vanilla. Yeah.
You finished? Alright, thank God. Now guys, as I was about to wrap up, man, they'll come with them banana cake. So, see you next time on another episode of Hi Guys. I must apologize for the shakiness of my video. The roads are wobbly here.
One day, if one of us sponsor one stabilizer, it would be nice. But until we have the funds to buy, yeah man.
Shaky videos it is.
Where do I go for it?
Oh, one more thing. Congratulations to the reggae girls.
Yeah, and them are playing next week Tuesday. I think Colombia them are play against. Touch me soul. Big up on yourself.
I think this would be a perfect time to play Strength of a Woman by Shaggy, but copyrights and all, but so put a smile upon your face and take it to a higher place. So don't you underestimate Strength of a Woman.
Yo,
bye
big up
guys.
Big up on yourself.